straight out front of the city from working, the office, and lakes, open place full of the street, lakes and mountains that they can climb. The youth should visit the Swim Alps and Parasite for body and soul.
We don't visit places, even so the Swiss Alps are one of the most recommended places to visit. Beautiful landscape and extremely comfortable accommodation for travels. But how much does this cost?
The cost of the flying around of $500 for the person. You can stay in the Grand Hotel des Bains. The hotel have a great sea. It has a nice spa and you can use when you need. The spa don't have a cost because it's free in the park. Other activities you can play pool and ride the bike. The cost of this hotel is $200.
The accommodation to be in the hotel will be an approximate of 2 weeks, having a unquiet and unforgettable experience.
You need a Schengen visa and passport valid for 3 months. Yeah, I have guided tours for different parts of the Swiss Alps, for example, Jungfrau, Elior, Schur, and others.